it's Penny. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. So today's video is different, and today we are doing an unboxing of the iPhone 12. So here is the phone, and the box feels so heavy, and I just got this yesterday. I actually wanted to buy this last week, but then it was sold out, so I had to wait and I got it. So now I'm just gonna open the box and take out the phone and show you what is inside. Okay, I'm so excited to open this phone. I'm not so ready. I'm just gonna open from here. There's an arrow that shows you how to remove the plastic on top, and I'm just gonna do this now. Bam. Oh, it's very easy. Oh wow, guys, I'm not so ready to open the box, but I feel like you're supposed to hold it like this. I saw a lot of people on YouTube, like when they unbox their iPhones, they hold the box like this, and then you just remove the one on top, and 1, 2, 3. Oh wow, this is so beautiful, guys. Okay, this is how it looks like. It's still in the box, and here, and let me just remove it from the box. It's very easy to do this, so I'm just gonna do this, and it's up. Wow, the phone is not so heavy, and I love this. Look at how it looks like. This is like white, and this is how it looks like, and this is so beautiful. So here on the screen it has this white sticker on top. So let me just remove this white sticker here, and wow, this is so beautiful. Like, this whole big screen is just nice. I just like it. Let's see what is in the box. And here we have the cable. So this is the cable that you find inside. There is no adapter, so you have to buy that separately. And yeah, the other things that we have here. So here we also have these I don't know how I call this. We use this to like put in the SIM card and the phone. And here we have the sticker. So yeah, I think there's only one sticker here. So you just find the phone, the thing for the SIM card, the sticker, and the cable. No adapter and no earphones. Wow, this is so interesting. So guys, I'm not gonna switch it on, and I'm not gonna set it up, because this is my friend's phone, and I just wanted to make this video because I saw a lot of videos on YouTube, like people unboxing their iPhone 12 to an iPhone 12 Pro. I'm so excited for her, and I'm just gonna put this back in the box, and let me just compare the size with my iPhone X. But this is just, oh, okay, there's really a big difference. And let me just put this phone back in the box, because I'm so clumsy, and that's why I have this mat on the table, because the table is so hard. I'm so clumsy. I don't trust myself, and I have to be very careful because this is not my phone. So yeah guys, this is all for today, and I hope you like this video, and I hope I'll make another video with my own iPhone 12, but then I'm not sure if I'm gonna get that anytime soon. I still have my X, and I told you that I'm so clumsy, so the screen is like cracked here and at the back, which is very rare. How can you crack your phone at the back? So yeah, let me just put this back, and this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in my next video.